If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I am out with my friend Elijah, and he has got his X-Maxx. I have got my X-Maxx, and we're gonna rip them around, and eventually we're gonna run into this RC right here, full speed, and see what that does to it. It's probably gonna be broken. A little bit of speed. Nice. All right, you can go ahead and hit it if you want. Nice. Well, you're upright. All right, guys, you guys might remember this RC. I actually got it sent to me for free from a Deere RC. And it's just not up to par with my other RCs. It's more of a toy quality RC. It only costs like $34, so they said all I had to do was do an unboxing, which I did, and then I could have the RC for free, so now I can do whatever I want with it, I guess. So it's not very capable. It just can go kind of forward, backwards. It doesn't turn very well. So it's just not that very good. It's not very good of an RC. It's not a very good RC. So that's why I thought, how about we just go ahead and run into it full speed? So I think Elijah's gonna go ahead. He's gonna get his X-Maxx and he's gonna run into this thing at full speed, and hopefully we get it on camera. I think it'll get destroyed, but we will see. All right, guys, Elijah's gonna go ahead. He's gonna come with his X-Maxx and he's gonna drip it along here, and he's gonna run into this RC right here, and we're gonna see what the fate of this little machine is. All right, Elijah, let me know when you're ready. Ready. All right, go ahead. I'm gonna just drive right into his path. Whoa. Oh, let's go check out the damage. Oh no! Guys, it broke. It broke the shocks. The bottom of the shocks broke, and the drive shaft came off. This is actually not even a real drive shaft. This is a fake drive shaft because the drive doesn't even come from here. The drive actually comes from a motor on the wheels. So it's a fake drive shaft. All right, guys, but I think it'll still move. Yeah, we're still good. We can keep on going. We can hit it again, guys. Coming back for seconds. All right, guys, so here's the damage report. After running into this Deere RC with both my X-Maxx and Elijah's X-Maxx, this is what we're left with. So we did quite the durability test with it. It didn't do the greatest. It's mostly in different pieces now. It doesn't have drive anymore either. That's the most unfortunate thing. It lost all drive. So that kind of sucks, because the first time Elijah hit it, we lost rear drive, but we still had front drive, but then the front one just pulled right out. What cheap quality stuff. Look at that. That's even metal right there. This right here is a metal piece. This is metal paneling. And look how easily it bent. Broke the cage. Isn't worth a crap, but that's kind of what to expect with toy quality RCs. That yeah, it did not hold up, and this is something I kind of wanted to do. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and hopefully you guys liked the slow-mo shot of me running into it and Elijah running into it with the X-Maxx. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I had to sacrifice an RC for this video, but I don't feel too bad because it's not that great of an RC and I didn't pay for it. So I did it for your guys' entertainment. So hopefully you liked it. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, because there might be more videos like this to come.